Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this really fuzzy picture, and they want to know how they got when there's two interactive fill tool blends here or something of that nature. I don't know what software they use, but we're going to kind of mimic this. I'm going to take they said the line doesn't really matter, but I'm going to try to mimic it a little bit. And if you join that node, you can have that line. Now, that's all one line, and we can change it now by moving stuff around and moving the handles. But I think all they did, let me move that out of the way, is take this and let's go 1/2 inch, well, maybe that's too thick, maybe a 1/4 inch line, and then go right here and pick a line. And that's a little short. There we go. And it just happened to work out that it's perfect. There's no half lines or anything. There's two ways to do this. At least two ways. I am going to double or hold down my shift key with that item selected and hit a rectangle. Now I'm going to make the rectangle bigger, so the line will be inside there. And one thing you could do is make this rectangle blue and go to Object, Order, Backup Page, and we still have our lines. Now, and well, matter of fact, there's more than two ways to do this, but we should be able to interactive fill tool this and just go from bottom to top. And maybe it won't work like this. Okay, that's almost good. I wonder if we have to take this and make it an object. There we go. Now take the interactive fill tool. There we go. And they got like a yellow up here. And we can bring that out a little more. They've got a green on this end. And they have a reddish looking thing in the middle. Whoop, I missed. So just back up. You got to hit that plus sign. That's pretty close. Now, what's so good about this line? Well, you know what? Now that it's a line, we probably can't do it. Beforehand, I could have manipulated the line more. Let's back up here before we converted it to an object. See, we've got the lines, and we can manipulate this line. Once you get it in, okay, this is a good exercise because I'm getting a little half dot there that I might not want if I want full dots. So you could either make it all full dots. I'm going to try to make it another little half dot. So what you can do to that is go up to Object and convert it to an outline. Go up to Object, break curve apart, take your shape tool and just delete that little bitty segment. Now the other way to do it, now we need to group these together. The other way to do it would be to smart fill this. Let's just do it. Let's make a second copy of this. Move this down and take away the fill on this box and take our smart fill tool, set on blue. Just another way to do something. And now we have let me set my nudge factor something high, like 20. If you look now, we have that line that is a white line, white box. So this would be the other way to do it. Let's hold down the shift key and make a rectangle and move that over. And let's make the rectangle green. And while we're here, we use the interactive fill tool on the blue box. They're going down and then they have a lighter color. I'm just trying to mimic them. That's pretty close. Now we could go here and just nudge this back, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page, but we still have it selected. Because you can see down here, now take the interactive fill tool on this and go from there to there. And Let's put a yellow up top again. See, it's doing the entire background. Now we all knew to have to do is a little red. So it's not, I missed it again. It's not, you got to wait till you get to that plus sign. So it's not filling in the line, but it's giving you the same effect. It's filling in the background. But when you put the line on and the lines are transparent, you're getting, so you could either do it either way. This way we didn't have to convert it to an outline or an object, and you still got that. That's a pretty cool effect. I don't know what they're going to do with it. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.